drowning in Jira complexity, paying more for features you barely use? Meet Workstatus, the cleaner, smarter, and a more affordable alternative. Jira is powerful, but it is built for developer. For your rest of your team, it means it's keep a learning curve, bloated features, and extra cost in form of plugins and add-ons. Workstatus keep it simple, be it time tracking, project monitoring, productivity analysis, right out of the box. No extra add-on, no complex setup. Whether you are a manager, a freelancer, or an operation lead, with Workstatus you will be up and running within minutes. Track tab automatically, approve timesheet, see who's working on what live, get screenshot-based proof of work, app usage, and a complete visibility into your team productivity along with detailed analytics, all in just one place. Workstatus isn't just simpler, it's smarter for your budget. You can save up to 78% compared to Jira when you switch. And unlike Jira, everything is built in, which means no plugin and no hidden cost. Globally, are now replacing Jira with Workstatus for its clear workflow, simple tracking, improved productivity, and to cut software load. Workstatus is built for teams who want clarity, control, and cost saving without the complexity of Jira. Ready to simplify your project tracking and also save money while doing it? Get started today at workstatus.io.